Hello students, today we will be talking about equivalent fractions. What does equivalent mean? Equivalent means equal to or same as. When writing whole numbers in a base 10 notation, there is only one way to write it. The only way to write 235 is as 235. The only way to write 35 is 35, and the only way to write 1312 is 1312. Fractions are different than whole numbers in the way that they can be written in an infinite number of ways. For example, 1/2 can be written as 2/4, 3/6, 4/8, 5/10, all the way until infinity. All these numbers are equivalent fractions of 1/2. Basically, all we are doing is taking a fraction a over b and multiplying the whole thing by 2, by 3, or by any number n. Oops. That should be a b. How do we know these fractions are equivalent or equal to one another? Well, let's look at an example problem. Our example question is, why is 3/4 the same amount as 15/20? First, let's draw two different bar graphs and divide them each into 4 equal parts. Now shade in 3 parts of the first bar graph to show 3/4. 3/4 is equal to 15/20 because each part of the fraction is multiplied by 5. Now we are going to divide each of the 4 equal parts into 5 smaller equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now that each part is divided into 5 smaller equal parts, we have our whole of 20. And our top one is still a whole of 4. So if we shade in 15 parts of the 20 parts, we can see that these shaded areas are all equal to each other. So 3/4 is equivalent or equal to 15/20.